Hey, it's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Ben of Golden, Colorado. Within 4 years with the insurance company, I never filed a claim. However, the policy increased every year for no reasonable reason. The last one increased by almost 30%. So I decided to buy another policy with another insurer where I found the same coverage for half the money this terrible company was trying to steal from my pocket, and immediately canceled the policy with the insurance company on the same day. Surprise! 1 week later, they sent me a letter pretending I needed to pay $830 for something they call a balance outstanding for the time on risk. What? My house never went uncovered by a policy. The day I bought the policy, the new one, I canceled the old one. So ultimately, it's kind of like the same thing that I talk about a lot, right? It's if you are insured in Colorado or anywhere else, right? Ultimately, what you want to do is look around every year to 2 years and make sure you have the best coverage, first and foremost, the best coverage that aligns with what you need and your requirements are. Then look at the price. But if you compare apples to apples, and they're really similar usually, they try to throw on an endorsement here, endorsement there to make it look all jazzy and nice, but usually they're all pretty much the same thing, right? So find the coverage that's right for you, make sure it is the right coverage, the right amounts, things like that, and then look at the price after that. But ultimately, you should look around every 2 years at minimum, more frequently if you need. I talked to an insurance broker, and she actually suggests doing it every year to make sure you have the best policy, the best coverage, the best price. So with that said, if you have a hailstorm or a fire or smoke damage or anything like that, and you need help getting the insurance company to play ball, which means actually do their job, then contact us today. Bellator Claims Resolution. We are here to help you, the insured, with your needs, fighting the insurance company to get them to do what is actually right on your behalf. Contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.